Hello everyone. Today you will learn possessive pronoun versus possessive adjectives. What's the difference? Both show ownership, but they play different role in different sentences. Let's break it down. Possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our and their. They come before a noun and also they describe whose thing it is. Here are some examples. This is my book. It's our home. Over here, my and our shows possession as well as they have noun after it. So, this is possessive adjective. Whereas possessive pronoun, here are some example: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. They replace the noun and do not come before a noun. Examples: this book is mine, the house is ours. So here mine and ours are possessive pronouns. As you can see, there is no noun after the word, that is after possessive pronoun there is no noun, so it is possessive pronoun. Let's see some more example. This is my pen, the pen is mine. So this is my pen. Here my is possessive adjective because there is a noun after it, whereas the pen is mine, there is no noun after mine, so it is possessive pronoun. Common mistake which you all make: this is mine book. That's wrong English. This is my book. Use my before a noun. If you like this video, please press like button, comment your own sentence using mine and my, and don't forget to subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.